Welcome to another African Facts video, and in this one we head over to the Central African country of the Democratic Republic of Congo to share the 10 facts that you probably didn't know about this beautiful country. Be sure to share, like and subscribe to the channel so that this video can get to more people like you that would love to get this kind of information. So let's get into the 10 facts. The Democratic Republic of Congo is the second largest country on the African continent with an area coverage of 2.3 million square kilometers. It is bordered by a total of 9 countries, and these include Burundi, Rwanda, Angola, Zambia, the Central African Republic, the Republic of Congo, South Sudan, Uganda and Zambia. So this makes it the only country that is bordered by 9 other countries on the African continent. There are 2,000 ethnic groups in the Democratic Republic of Congo with over 250 languages that are spoken in the country. French is the official language spoken in the Democratic Republic of Congo, and the capital Kinshasa is the second largest French-speaking city in the world. So in case you didn't know, I'm sure you now know about this fact. The Democratic Republic of Congo is the richest country in the world in terms of natural resources. The country has huge deposits of gold, tin, tungsten and many other minerals that are found across the entire country, although the majority of the citizens live on less than $1 per day in the Democratic Republic of Congo. Minerals like tungsten are the ones used to manufacture electronics by the big companies in the world, and surprisingly the Democratic Republic of Congo does not have anything to show for these minerals exported. The Democratic Republic of Congo is home to the shortest people in the world, called the Pygmies. These people live in the rainforests and they mainly survive on hunting. Because of decades of civil war in the Democratic Republic of Congo that has claimed the lives of over 5.4 million people, the Democratic Republic of Congo only got its first automated teller machine, or you can call it an ATM machine, in 2010. This was simply because many of the banks in the country could not risk installing these ATM machines across the country because people would either vandalize or even rob the money from these ATM machines. The Democratic Republic of Congo has the oldest national park in Africa, and that's the Virunga National Park. This national park is home to rare mountain gorillas, elephants, lions and many other types of animals, although the park is currently under threat by a UK farm called Soko that is currently doing oil exploration around this area of the national park. In the Democratic Republic of Congo, only 10% of the citizens in the country can access electricity. This means only 8.7 million out of the 87 million can be able to access electricity in the Democratic Republic of Congo. Another fact that you probably didn't know is the fact that the famous fight between Muhammad Ali and George Foreman was hosted in the Democratic Republic of Congo. The fight that was named Rambo in the Jungle happened in the capital Kinshasa in 1974, and Muhammad Ali managed to knock out George Foreman in the 8th round. I know that this next fact will leave you wondering, but the former president Mobutu Sese Seko's children used to study in France, and guess what? They would board a plane every day to go to France and attend school, and then later they would be returned back home in the Democratic Republic of Congo. This level of extravagance was just out of this world. And then lastly, the Democratic Republic of Congo was the African music powerhouse for close to 2 decades. The Lingala type of music rocked the African continent from the 80s up to the early 2000s, and the Democratic Republic of Congo was famous for musicians like Pepe Kale, Kanda Bongoman, the Madilu System, Koffi Olomide, and so many other artists. Well, there you have it. Those are the 10 facts about the Democratic Republic of Congo. You can let me know which one of these facts shocked you the most, and also what you generally think about this very rich country in the central part of Africa. And in case you found this video very helpful, please like it, and also don't forget to please consider subscribing to the channel. Turn the bell notification on as well, so that every time we have a new video out, we get you notified. Thank you so much for watching this video. Watch more African content here on the card.